Hi, Jill and Bingening are here to bring you a STEM challenge. So we're going to be engineering a structure with marshmallows. I have lots and lots of marshmallows and toothpicks. So first, what I want to do is think about the scientific method. So either I have a problem or I have an observation I'd like to make, and what I would like to do is, my problem is I have a bunch of marshmallows and toothpicks. I want to see if I can build a tower with them and how high that tower can be. So let's try and make a sturdy base first. Let's see how high our tower can be. So you're going to need marshmallows, you're going to need toothpicks, you're going to want a ruler to measure, and it's helpful to have a sheet next to you so you can record your data on it as you go. So let's start by making our base. All right. So I'm going to make a square base. So there's my square base. Now let's see how high I can make it. I don't know. So I'm gonna just try building up. I've used 4 marshmallows already. I think I'm gonna try to use 20 and see how high I can make it. And then we'll see if it stays sturdy. We'll see how my engineering works out. So I took my flat structure on the bottom, I made a square, and now it looks as though I'm going to turn it into a cube, a 3D structure. So as you do this, try to be creative. I'm making a cube, but maybe you don't want to make a cube. Maybe you want to make other shapes. Be creative. That's how we invent things. We use our minds, we solve problems. So I'm going to see if I can try to make an angle in here. So now I'm up to 8 marshmallows. I feel like if I keep things balanced on 2 sides, that will help my structure be more sturdy. It almost looks like a house right now, which I'm liking. Let's see. I think a toothpick in here might help this to keep it propped up a bit. I don't know, it's pretty wobbly, and I'm at half my mushrooms here, so half my marshmallows. So let's see what I can, if I keep, I don't know if I want to go up, but let's try it. So I'm making another angle. I feel like I've got a counterbalance at this point. Sometimes that helps with the weight. Add more toothpicks to hopefully make it a little bit more structurally sound. And we're just going to keep building. So as I'm doing this, what I'm noticing is the more toothpicks I add to it, the more structurally sound it is, and it's collapsing less. That would be an observation that I'm making. So I don't know what kind of shape that is, but I am gonna stop right here, and you can go on and continue to build at home. You could do an experiment using 20 marshmallows and 20 toothpicks and just see how high, how wide, how round your structure is. So let's go ahead and measure it. Let's get some data. So it looks like I am at the wrong side of the ruler. It looks like I'm at 4.5 inches high, not very high. I used 12 marshmallows. So I'm gonna write that data down, that I got 4.5 inches high using 12 marshmallows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 16 toothpicks. So that's our data. So you can go ahead and play with this. You can engineer, make some shapes, experiment, and do some problem solving. We have kits available at the library that have marshmallows and toothpicks. You can come pick those up. You can do this activity at home and let us know how it goes. So I hope you enjoy your marshmallow creation, and you can always have one to eat. They're a good snack. So thank you for joining us for this STEM activity, and we'll see you soon for another one. Bye.